Spaghetti, pasta bolognese recipe, spaghetti, ingredients, 500 grams ground beef, or a mix of beef and lamb, 1 large onion, finely chopped, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 2 small carrots, finely chopped, 2 celery sticks, finely chopped, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 400 grams chopped tomatoes, fresh or canned, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 1 cup beef broth or water, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon dried basil, optional, salt and black pepper to taste, 500 grams pasta, spaghetti or tagliatelle, grated Parmesan cheese for serving instructions. 1. In a large skillet, heat olive oil and sauté the onion and garlic until soft. 2. Add the ground beef and cook until browned, breaking it up into small pieces. 3. Add the carrots and celery, and cook for a few minutes until they soften. 4. Stir in the chopped tomatoes, tomato paste, beef broth, and dried herbs. 5. Simmer the sauce on low heat for 30 to 40 minutes until the flavors meld together, stirring occasionally. 6. Meanwhile, cook the pasta according to the package instructions and drain well. 7. Serve the sauce over the pasta and sprinkle with grated Parmesan cheese. Tip: for the best flavor, let the sauce simmer for as long as possible. You can also make it a day ahead and store it in the fridge. The flavors will become even richer and tastier.